Okay, now before we move on to the laboratory, let's take on this introduction where it tells us that we will be applying our knowledge with a hands-on lab where we will be using Auto Machine Learning, which is a no-code tool to build a machine learning model predicting loan risk using a dataset with 2050 data points. Okay. And in this lab, we will learn about data preparation, model development, and model serving while explaining key concepts like the confusion matrix, true positive or negative rates, and precision recall curves. Okay, great. Okay, but first let's discuss how a machine learns. And to understand machine learning, in this section we can understand how it works by grasping how neural networks learn, involving the exploration of their learning process and associated terms. We will delve into how neural networks learn through layers of neurons using activation functions to add nonlinearity and employing techniques like backpropagation and gradient descent to minimize error and optimize performance. Okay, let's make this AI development workflow module description and let's summarize everything we've learned. So yeah, basically we explored the machine learning workflow through a restaurant analogy. We learned about data preparation, model development, and model serving. Whether using a UI like AutoML or code with Vertex AI pipelines, both methods facilitate end-to-end model creation. Next up will be generative AI, which is promising and exciting new possibilities. But before that, let's move on and take up the quiz. The first, question is to select the correct machine learning workflow. As I remember, it should be the data preparation, then model development, and model serving at the end. Next question is, when you build a machine learning pipeline on Vertex AI to automate the machine learning workflow, what are the components you can use? Let's say that you can include both pre-built components by Google and the custom components into the pipeline. Next, which stage of the machine learning workflow model train workflow? Which stage of the machine learning workflow includes data upload and feature engineering? So what are the options? Model training, it is not model service. The data preparation, data upload and feature engineering, data preparation is the answer for that question. Next, which of the following provides a toolkit to automate, monitor, and govern machine learning systems by orchestrating the workflow in a serverless manner? The Vertex AI pipelines. A hospital uses the machine learning technology of Google to help pre-diagnose cancer by feeding historical patient medical data to the model. The goal is to identify as many potential cases as possible. Which metrics should the model focus on? A farm uses the machine learning technology of Google to detect defective apples in their crop, like those with irregular sizes or scratches. The goal is to identify only the apples that are actually bad so that no good apples are wasted. Which metrics should the model focus on? The next part, on the next episode, we will take on the Vertex AI laboratory with predicting loan risk using AutoML. And now that's all for this video. We finished discussing the AI development workflow, issues and concepts. And that's all for this video. Thank you for selecting this educational content, and if you wish to see more of that, please consider leaving a like and subscription. See you!